All right, so I think we're about as good as we're going to get. I got the anchor set out front. It's out there by that dock, and I brought it back. I left slack in it. It's set, but I left slack in it for the if we get the surge. Spring lines, front and back. Got some extra. I've doubled up a bunch of stuff just to give it some room to move. I got anchor out here over off the aft. Now I got another one straight out to kind of pull it out just to keep it off the dock. So hopefully. All right, guys. Yeah, I took all the seats out and everything. I guess this is as good as it's going to get. I hope it's here when we get back.